this video, I'm going to show you how to do a 3-bead craw, starting it with the 3-bead craw tool. So we want to start by getting our thread lined up. Now you can hold it with your thumb, or what is a little bit easier is if you use a piece of tape and just put the piece of tape here temporarily to get started. And we're going to go through the first fake bead, and we're going to do this like we're doing our first row of normal craw. So we'll pick up 3 pink beads and we'll go through the fake bead and come back around, and then we want to go through the next fake bead, and then we'll do 2, and we'll go through the last bead we put on and the fake bead. And at this point, I'm not going to go through this fake bead like you would if you were doing regular craw. I'm going to go up the bead, the last bead, because this way we won't have to go round and double over in the fake bead. It'll be a little easier getting it off. You'll see it when I start to take it off. So we take 1 bead and we go down and across, and I tend to do my beads this way anyway because it's one less step when you're going around for the last bead on the row. And now we're going to do, I have to connect these 3 and I want to fully connect them. So I'm going to do 2 at a time. So I did the first 2. And now I'm going to come and do the last one, but I want to make sure that I've connected all 3, because when we take the tool away, we're going to take the lower beads off. So I want to make sure that I've got these 2 connected. So I'm going to go through one more time. And now I'm going to pick up 3 green so that you can see the difference between the rows. So we have 3 green, and we go through the pink, and we pick up 2 green, and we now go through the green and the pink, and this is the last bead again. So just my little quirk, I like to go up this one for the last one, and if you prefer going down and around, by all means do that method, but I like to go up because that actually cuts off going around one of the beads. And then we come back up and around. We go through 1 top bead, 2nd top bead, 3rd top bead, and we have to connect the 3rd to the first one. So we come around this way. Now we have our 2 rows. Now, I would not normally take this off at this point. I would continue to make the rows longer, but in order to make this video a little shorter, I'm going to show you how to take this off. So we're going to take the tape off, and then we'll, a piece of thread from the last one, and then we'll wiggle this a little bit just to see where it loosens up. And we want to start pulling out the thread. Okay. And the beads will drop. There you go. Okay. So this is your starting point. It's the 3 beads connected together. And then from here, you would continue on your piece. As I said, normally I'd let this go a little bit longer. Thank you. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe.